Hey, how you doing? Making a video of the BERNZOMATIC and the reason for why I have it. Kind of stupid. I never really wanted one of these. It's kind of like, why the hell would you want this? What are you supposed to do with this? Creme brulee? But the point is, look at this. I made this. Believe it or not, I'm going to fix my front headlamp lens that is leaky and gets water inside of it by heating it up on this and draining the water out of the front when it gets rainwater, and also taking all the lights out of the back and rinsing the shit out of that thing and the water going out of the holes, using a bottle brush and just like grinding at the front lens on the interior of it. So, let me see what the heat transfer is from this down to here. I'm gonna put tape on this. Just light it up. It is. Let's see. I'll say ow and I'll drop it. Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty hot. Oh, it's getting a little red there. I don't feel anything. Oh man, it's been cherry. Huh, that might do. Yeah. So I'm just gonna drop that right there. And turn this off because I'm wasting fuel. And I have to make this video tomorrow about doing that. Bye. Goodbye.